spirit of the outdoors. I picked me a bunch of jalapeno peppers. I'm fixing to make some seasoning. I've done this last year and I didn't do quite as many as I'm going to do this year. Some of these peppers, and I waited till they turned red, so I'm going to kind of basically cut them in half. And I don't want the seeds in my seasoning. In other words, I don't want it to burn me up. Now, you probably would be smart if you would use gloves to do this. However, y'all know I ain't very smart. Just be mindful if your eye goes to itching or something like that. So what I'm going to do is put these on the dehydrator after I get the seeds out, cut them in half, whatever I just have her get them. And then once I dehydrate them, I will grind them up in a mortar pestle and put them in a jar for a season. You put them in one of these shakers and they work really good. You can do them green. I just wait till they turn red. My mama's got a beautiful patch of peppers, and that's where I picked these. I've done cleaned all mine off and done something else with mine. So that is what I am out here doing, and here comes my help. You gonna peel jalapeno peppers? Why don't you fix your shirt back there? What you into over here? Ice cream? I don't know. He's been having bellyache issues. Pull your drawers that are showing. Hold your arms down. Just get a popsicle for right now. You better talk to Mama about that. He's been having stomach issues. We had to take him down there and get him prayed for this morning. And I think it's because of all the milk he's been drinking and ice cream he's been eating. I'm going to let him and his mama deal with that. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all a little bit about how I'm doing this. I got my scrap bucket down there. If you're somewhat careful, you can refrain from getting them seeds all over your hands. That's what's actually that hot. But now I got a good sharp knife. There's a fella I know that makes these knives, does fairly good at it. See there? I didn't hardly get none of them seeds out. So I'm going to get all of these done. And then we'll put them on a dehydrator. I need to go get my grate. So I'll just set my grate. I got a dehydrated some on there. So you just kind of pile them on there. They ain't got to be all spread out perfect and pretty. A lot of people get carried away with that kind of stuff. You're just trying to get them dehydrated. You ain't trying to make a floral arrangement there, come on. I think that's what some folks be trying to do. They be trying to lay this stuff and spread it out. It's a dehydrator. If it's on there, it's going to get dried out. If you put too much on there, it's just going to take a little longer. But if you don't put it all on there, you're going to have to do it twice, and then it's going to take twice as long. So you just suit yourself on that deal. You can do them like that. Every pepper is shaped a little different. I was trying to show a couple of different ways to cut these up. That way you had some options. On the way right there, I knocked all the seeds off of that when I screwed that up royally on camera, didn't I? We'll do another and see if I can do a better job. But I done got them seeds on there, and like I said, once you get them on your fingers, you got to be careful when you go to eye goes to itching, or if you need to go to the bathroom or something like that. It could become extremely painful. But you'll learn that. I don't have to tell you. You'll figure that out quick. The best education is them lessons you learn the hard way. You'll remember them in. Well, y'all, I have got my last tray loaded. Fixing to go put them on the dehydrator. I still got that many in the bucket, and most of these I kind of was picking through and getting most of the red ones, so I got a lot of green ones. I'll do another run on that. Now, some of these were somewhat green, but most of it is red. And y'all forgive all my junk. I can't help it. I ain't got nowhere to put everything. I need to have a throwing away, I reckon. I got to finish that teepee over there. So I got the dehydrator sitting here. I was going to set it on that table over yonder, but I didn't have a cord long enough. I got to plug it up right there, so. And y'all, this is an old job right here. I have had this thing nearly 20 years, but it works good. I'm going to get me a better one because I done busted the trays and cracked the lid and all such as that kind of stuff there. But we in the apple peeling business tonight too. I ain't filming that. I can't film everything. I put out so many videos already, y'all get sick of watching them. So anyway, we got the air conditioner rolling in the background. I got to clean old Jonah up. I had a knife right here. So I'm gonna leave my bucket there. I gotta finish doing that. And I got a bunch of this, and y'all, I tell y'all what to do with all this stuff right here. I gotta check on something. Right quick. I got just a little bit of Kool-Aid left. Let's go warm these chickens up. I bet they'll appreciate this. Hey, that's a good bucket of seeds and all that. I guarantee you these chickens fixing to get wound up. It's been raining. Today's the first day it ain't rained no whole lot. And it rained a little bit this morning. All right, chicken. Y'all eat. That ought to warm them right on up. I got some kind of pumpkin thing growing right here. You see that? They just come up volunteer. They the only ones gonna make it. So I'll leave this video. Yeah, they getting at it. They say that cayenne pepper make them lay eggs. We're gonna see about these jalapenos. We're just trying to preserve some stuff. We're trying to get some green beans. We ain't got enough green beans to save our life. I tell you what happened. It got hot and I got sorry and didn't till down there where I should have around them. So anyway, we're gonna let them dehydrate. I'll bring y'all back in the morning or tomorrow sometime when they're done. I'm gonna let them go all night. And it may take, I put them pretty thick, it may be tomorrow afternoon before I get through with them. So y'all, I have got this dehydrator right here. This is actually, I'm gonna confess, it's been going for 2 days. Because you want this really, really dry. And last night, most of it was dry, but a lot of it was not dry. It was still kind of flexible. You want it dry to the point that it almost and I could have probably mitigated a lot of that had I cut it up into smaller pieces, but oh well. So instead of the mortar and pedestal, Michelle suggested that I use this chopper. I don't know how well this is going to work. Last year when I did it out of some different peppers, and I did it out of with the mortar and pedestal after it got real dry. So we're going to try this out and see if it works. So I'll bring y'all in where y'all can see what's going on. Alright, so this right here, I can cut that off now. I had to unplug my lights, and so I couldn't do this at night, no way. But this first thing in the morning, and I need to get this done so I can get on about my daily chores. Y'all don't probably have chores, do you? So we're just gonna kind of pile everything in there, and I'm knocking it around on the piece went somewhere there. Make sure it ain't got no creepy crawlies got on it. I'm gonna have to invest in me a new dehydrator. I want to make deer jerky and stuff this year if we kill enough deer. The last couple of years I haven't really killed a lot of deer, but me and Roscoe like deer jerky pretty good, so we may have to get us a better dehydrator. This thing right here, y'all, is basically a souped up blender. Y'all seen me use it in the salsa videos. I made salsa, and I don't know if I did salsa on YouTube or if I just made some reels of it or what, but we eat a lot more salsa than we do canned tomatoes. I use it for tomato sauce, everything, but this thing works good chopping up them tomatoes. And with this, see, I had 5 trays, I'm down to 4. One of them got destroyed. I don't remember exactly what happened to it, but y'all hear my daddy over there working, running the saw. That man is got a birthday coming up this month. I think he'll be 81, and he still works every day. So I can see what my future looks like. There's no rest for the weary. All right. Whoa, now, come back, Kim. We gotta figure out just right which way that drops down in there. All right. Maybe it goes on that side. All right. We didn't have this much trouble the other day. There it goes, right there. Now it's locked. Well, I'm gonna say I chop suey most of it. See what this looks like. Now that wouldn't get me a big breath right there. Jalapenos dry. There's gonna be jalapeno seasoning. Oh, it is beautiful. Let's see what it. We got to see what it tastes like, yeah. Ooh, it's got some heat to it. I was finna say I had to get a bite or two before I got to the heat. It's just right. So we got to find a container to put it in. Y'all look at that. I mean, oh, that's gonna be fine. Fine. Alright, I got me an old mayonnaise jar, one of these plastic ones. You save stuff like this because this is what you need it for right here. Alright, we're gonna get this poured in here. Now I may make a mess, y'all. You just let me see if let's get that old blade out of there. Now you wanna limit how strong you're breathing right now. You don't want to be taking them old big deep breaths when you go to a pouring this, especially if there's a light breeze outside. And I don't know how well my funnel is going. In this mayonnaise jar, I thought I had a smaller one, but this is what I had, so this is what we're using. My wife probably threw the other one away. God, well, there's a lot of seasoning right in there I wish I could get, but I'm scared to take my finger because I got a cut on it and rub it round in there to get that. So I'm going to fight temptation this one time, and we just going to call it quits while we money ahead. And I'll just let her wash that down the drain. Oh, I probably ought to take and stick that funnel off in there like that. I reckon it'll get chopped up. We might ought to unplug it. I'm going to leave my dehydrator set up right over there because I've got some more. We probably going to wind up dehydrating some of them apples and stuff. So y'all, that's a good amount of seasoning. I'm probably going to add to this jar. I have got a bunch more jalapenos. I've still got some in this bucket. And there's still a good many on the vines, so I'm going to keep doing this and adding to this jar till I get enough seasoning, and I'll be cooking and using it. So anyway, that is the seasoning making video of the year. Thank y'all for watching Spirit of the Outdoors. Remember, the best way to do things is the way you like to do it. We'll see y'all. Y'all have a good one.